Who, who refers to people as the subject or object of the verb.
The woman who spoke at the conference was an expert in the field.
The woman who spoke at the conference was an expert in the field.
The children who play in the park are my friend's kids.
The children who play in the park are my friend's kids.
The woman who runs the shop is very friendly.
The woman who runs the shop is very friendly.
I met someone who works in the same company.
I met someone who works in the same company.
The person who called earlier left a message for you.
The person who called earlier left a message for you.
I spoke to the lawyer who handled my case.
I spoke to the lawyer who handled my case.
He is the man who changed my life.
He is the man who changed my life.
The students who studied hard passed the exam.
The students who studied hard passed the exam.
She's the girl who always makes me laugh.
She's the girl who always makes me laugh.
The woman who just entered is my aunt.
The woman who just entered is my aunt.
Which refers to things or animals as the subject or object of the verb.
The book which you gave me was very interesting.
The book which you gave me was very interesting.
The car which he bought last year is very expensive.
The car which he bought last year is very expensive.
The song which you are singing is my favorite.
The song which you are singing is my favorite.
The cake which I made turned out delicious.
The cake which I made turned out delicious.
The dress which she wore was stunning.
The dress which she wore was stunning.
The restaurant which we went to last night had amazing food.
The restaurant which we went to last night had amazing food.
The movie which we watched was really funny.
The movie which we watched was really funny.
The house which they built is huge and modern.
The house which they built is huge and modern.
The tree which stands in the center is very old.
The tree which stands in the center is very old.
I found a book which explains the topic in detail.
I found a book which explains the topic in detail.
That can be used instead of who or which in defining relative clauses.
The movie that I watched was amazing.
The movie that I watched was amazing.
The car that he drives is very fast.
The car that he drives is very fast.
The project that I worked on was challenging.
The project that I worked on was challenging.
She is the woman that helped me yesterday.
She is the woman that helped me yesterday.
The ice cream that we had was delicious.
The ice cream that we had was delicious.
The coffee that she makes is amazing.
The coffee that she makes is amazing.
The view that I captured was breathtaking.
The view that I captured was breathtaking.
The team that won the competition is my favorite.
The team that won the competition is my favorite.
The man that you met earlier is my cousin.
The man that you met earlier is my cousin.
Whose.
Whose shows possession, meaning the relative clause refers to something owned by the noun.
The woman whose dress is red looks stunning.
The woman whose dress is red looks stunning.
The artist whose paintings are displayed in the gallery is famous.
The artist whose paintings are displayed in the gallery is famous.
I met a woman whose brother is an actor.
I met a woman whose brother is an actor.
The teacher whose class I attend is very strict.
The teacher whose class I attend is very strict.
The man whose car was stolen reported it to the police.
The man whose car was stolen reported it to the police.
I saw a movie whose plot was very interesting.
I saw a movie whose plot was very interesting.
The family whose daughter just graduated is very proud.
The family whose daughter just graduated is very proud.
The company whose products we use is based in Italy.
The company whose products we use is based in Italy.
The writer whose novel was published last year is my friend.
The writer whose novel was published last year is my friend.
Where.
Where refers to places, showing the location where something happens.
The city where I was born is beautiful.
The city where I was born is beautiful.
The restaurant where we had dinner was excellent.
The restaurant where we had dinner was excellent.
The house where I grew up is still standing.
The house where I grew up is still standing.
The company where she works is very prestigious.
The company where she works is very prestigious.
The country where she vacationed is warm and sunny.
The country where she vacationed is warm and sunny.
The place where we met holds special memories.
The place where we met holds special memories.
The museum where the exhibition is held is very popular.
The museum where the exhibition is held is very popular.
The hotel where we stayed was luxurious.
The hotel where we stayed was luxurious.
The village where they live is located in the mountains.
The village where they live is located in the mountains.
When.
When refers to time, indicating the time when something happens.
The moment when she passed her driving test was exciting.
The moment when she passed her driving test was exciting.
The month when the festival is held is June.
The month when the festival is held is June.
The summer when we traveled to Italy was amazing.
The summer when we traveled to Italy was amazing.
The day when we met was unforgettable.
The day when we met was unforgettable.
The year when I graduated was very special.
The year when I graduated was very special.
The time when the concert starts is 7 p.m.
The time when the concert starts is 7 p.m.
I'll never forget the moment when I first saw her.
I'll never forget the moment when I first saw her.
The event when they got married was beautiful.
The event when they got married was beautiful.
Why.
Why refers to the reason or purpose for something, explaining why something happens.
This is the reason why I didn't attend the meeting.
This is the reason why I didn't attend the meeting.
Can you explain the reason why you're late?
Can you explain the reason why you're late?
The reason why I left early was because of a family emergency.
The reason why I left early was because of a family emergency.
The reason why she is unhappy is that she didn't get the job.
The reason why she is unhappy is that she didn't get the job.
The explanation why he was absent is still unclear.
The explanation why he was absent is still unclear.
I don't know the reason why they canceled the event.
I don't know the reason why they canceled the event.
The reason why I didn't call you back is because I lost my phone.
The reason why I didn't call you back is because I lost my phone.
I'll tell you the reason why I can't attend the party later.
I'll tell you the reason why I can't attend the party later.
I understand the reason why you didn't agree with my suggestion.
I understand the reason why you didn't agree with my suggestion.